Cows are large mammals, often used as livestock for meat, milk, and hides, which are used for leather. Cow. Sheep are domesticated animals raised on farms for their wool, meat, and milk. Sheep. A chicken, Dallas domesticus, is a kind of domesticated bird. Chicken. A duck is a small type of swimming bird with a short neck and legs. Duck. A goat is a farm animal or a wild animal that is about the size of a sheep. Goat. Donkeys are mammals that look like horses, but they are smaller and have longer ears. Donkey. Rabbits are small, furry mammals characterized by their big, floppy ears and large back feet used for hopping around. Rabbit. A horse is a large, four-legged animal with hooves, a long nose and tail, and a mane of hair along its upper back. Horse. Let's guess the animal from the sound. Cow. Horse. Duck. Sheep. Rabbit. Donkey. Chicken. Goat. Which farm animal you like the most?